Hey, ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina Wright here, and I am super excited on day 3 of Money Month. So I want to come with you guys and tell you guys the foundation to your millions, all right? The foundation to your millions. About the foundation to millions. And one of the first things you want to do, for one, is to be speaking affirmations. You want to be speaking affirmations over yourself. And it's Money Month, guys, so I'm gonna be promoting my book all month because it talks about money, how to manifest money now. There's money affirmations, right? So you probably seen the other book that's just regular, I ain't gonna say regular, but powerful affirmations just to get your life together. But this is to manifest you some money, okay? This is to manifest you some money. So we on day 3, and day 3 says, I am extremely wealthy and it feels good. Every day and in every way, all the good that is mine comes my way. I give a wonderful service for wonderful pay. I deserve to win. And then I have an activity here. You're supposed to repeat that 5 times. Then I have an activity here that says, make sure you are perfecting your skill, talent, or gift. Manifesting is easy, but you have to operate in the right spirit. Think about your friendships or your spouse. If you mistreat your spouse or your friend, do you think she will continue to be your friend or spouse? I don't think so. Your gift, talent, or skill is the same way. If you don't spend time perfecting it, no one will pay you for it. Spend time investing in yourself to perfect your gift, talent, or skill. You deserve to win, guys. So that's day 3 of Manifest Money Now. All right, so I'm about to give you the foundations of millions. Okay, the foundation to earning your million. I need you guys to like and share this video. Cash, shut up. Like and share this video, guys. Like and share this video. All right. And so the step number 1 is speaking money affirmation, speaking life over yourself. We have accustomed to, speaking negativity, complaining, being ungrateful, right? Talking about people, talking about things that's not being productive is going to, help us become successful, right? So we got to stop that negative talk for one. That's the first thing you got to do. Somebody type that in the box for me. Number 1, affirmations. You got to speak affirmations tailored to where you want to go in life. So if you're not healthy, you need to say I am healthy. If you're not rich, you need to say I am rich. I am wealthy. Right? If you don't feel love, you need to say, I'm loved by God. Right? If you don't feel like you have a purpose, you say, I'm chosen by God. Right? So you want to say these affirmations, right? I am a money magnet. Right? I am a walking vault. You want to say those things. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Right? You want to say those things because that is going to boost your confidence so you don't feel like a bum. Right? You won't feel depressed, busted, and disgusted. Right? Like and share this video, guys. So that is the first foundation. Yes, stop the negative talk. Speak your affirmations. That is the number 1. Speak your affirmations, guys. You can't talk about people. You got to always speak positive things in the air, all right? Positive things in the air all the time if you want to manifest your millions. If you want to, that's the foundation of earning millions of dollars is being able. Hi, Melvin. Like and share this video, cousin. I love you too. You got to be able to speak positive things into the atmosphere. Life and death is power of the tongue. So that's number 1. Number 2, you got to have a good foundation. Somebody type that in the comment box for me now. Foundation. Number 1, speak positive affirmations, no negative talk. Number 2 is foundation. All right. You got to have foundation. Good morning, Tiana. You got to have a good foundation. A foundation means having your business together. Right. A lot of us operating online businesses and we don't have our business LLC. We don't have our businesses properly incorporated. We don't have our businesses properly incorporated. So that is the first step. You got to properly incorporate your business. So put foundation. You got to have a good foundation, all right, to earn your millions, to have your millions manifesting to you. You got to have a good foundation. Discover Are you having a nonprofit or for-profit business? Are you going to have an LLC, a S corp, right? A corporation, right? Are you going to have a public trading company? Have all those things figured out about your business. You know why? Because you cannot go get capital. You cannot go get business loans. That's why a lot of us can't get business loans for our businesses, because they're not properly, the foundation is not proper. You're not spending money or or depositing money into your business bank account on a frequent basis. Do you have a financial statement? Right? So you got to have the foundation correctly if you want to earn your millions. All right. You cannot manifest anything that you are properly not prepared for. Like and share this video, guys. Like and share this video. Right. And if you're watching me on YouTube, I need you guys to subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right. So you can get some of this amazing information every single day. All right. So let me tell you something. So now you got your foundation together. You got to have the education. Whatever business you in, if you're selling waist shapers, if you're selling t-shirts, if you have a consulting business, right? If you got a consulting business, if you got a personal trainer business, if you got a hair business, whatever you are selling, guys, you got to have the proper education. You have to have the proper education. So number 3 is education. You got to have the right education, guys. You got to have a record keeping system. You have to have the education on how your business is supposed to run efficiently. You got to have the education on how to, when you do got money coming in, where to invest it. What is the best hair? Who are your competitors? What are the price points out there? You got to have the education. You got to perfect your skill or your craft. You have to. You have to. So you got to have the right education, right? Education is very important. And that is why I love My Econ. The business that I am in is My Econ. Is short for My Economy, right? Because we are taught to create our own economy over here at My Econ. That's what we taught how to do. We're taught investment strategies. We're taught income shifting, right? We're taught how to create assets and have those assets create cash, and now we invest in more assets, right? So that's what I love about My Econ. I have the platform that I need. Hey, you gotta have education. Education is key, right? And so then number 3, yes, girl. Then you gotta have number 4. I mean, this is number 4, association. Association is very important. You need to know who to associate with and who not to associate with. You need to know who is going to be profitable for your growth or not. Good morning, superstar Renelle. How you doing, boo-boo? Like and share this video, sister. So you got to have association. You got to begin to hang with people who are going to be conducive to your growth. Who's going to push you? A lot of us hang with dream killers, people that we cannot have a conversation with, people who are not going to be conducive to our growth, right? They are killing us, not helping us grow. They don't have stimulating conversations. They don't have stimulating. So you got to be careful who you associate with. Association will, the wrong association will assassinate you. So you got to have the right association. Who you hang around, that is why you see people, rich people hang together, because they can bounce off ideas. And you can also see when you hang around certain people, you will elevate by default, because most of the time, the people you're associating with have some type of influence. They're associated with something. They're associated with being unproductive or productive. And if you're hanging around and associated with people who are productive, guess what? They will come and ask you for advice and for information. Hold on, guys. Right? So you gotta associate people who are conducive to your growth, right? I watched how the makeup girl, the crayon case, I love her makeup, right? Super Simply started hanging with BB Judy, right? And immediately she became a millionaire, right? Because association Association, right? Association. You got to associate with your people who are doing things so they can put you on. They can put you on, and they're willing to put you on. It's the same thing. If they're not going where you're going, then they're dream killers because they are not conducive to your dreams. I call those dream killers, period. Right? Even if it's people who are not going where you're going or trying to go, they are dream killers. Because eventually, if you are hanging around that person long enough, Carlton, you will get comfortable and you will no longer care about your dreams. You will get so complacent, and if they're complacent, you don't care about your dreams anymore. You are just going to be an average Joe just like your friends because you're able to fit in now. So it is the dream killers. I call them dream killers no matter how you look at it. Right? Because what happens is if you're hanging around people long enough and your dreams are not coming into reality, then they are dream killers. Because if you got dreams and you associate with the right people, you will succeed. So association is key, guys. So number one, you got to speak affirmations. You need help with some affirmations? Get my book, SabrinaWright.org, www.SabrinaWright.org. You have to get the book Affirmations because first of all, affirmations, if you don't speak affirmations, you will get stuck. People get stuck because they're not speaking life. People get stuck because they don't have the right education, right? If you don't have the right education, when you begin to move, you will get stuck because you don't know what to do yet. You don't know what the next step is because you have not been educated, right? So that's why speaking affirmations and education fall hand in hand. And because those are the things, when you speak those affirmations, it's going to give you an inspired action. An inspired action. Speaking those affirmations is going to trick the subconscious mind to where you're going to do something. The next step is going to come to you. And if you got the right education, you're going to be a force to be reckoned with. All right. You're going to be a force to be reckoned with. So number one, affirmations. Number two, you got to have a great foundation. Get your business papers in order, y'all. Have your LLC, a limited liability company that separates you from your personal assets. All right. You got to do that. You got to decide if you're going to have a nonprofit or a for-profit. Because when you set up properly, friends, you can get business capital. You can get business capital. People will give you money to invest in your business because they have a financial statement. They see how much money you produce and they see how much money you spend in your business because you're operating like a business. You got your money going to a business bank account. You're filing your taxes. So that is the foundation to your millions, guys. That's your foundation to your millions. And then you got to have education. Dominate the field that you are in. Dominate. I'm dominating this field of finances. I'm in finances and I don't want to do nothing else. I don't want to do nothing else but diversify my income, keep building businesses and keep getting multifamily unions. I'm getting student housing next. I'm getting ready to get some commercial properties. So I'm in this money. I'm going to dominate this financial industry. I'm going to show the African American people what it is and what a black educated woman about finances look like. All right. That's my dream and goal because I truly believe we got a lot of rich females, a lot of rich men, but they're not educated about their money and they're giving it all to the IRS. Right. They're not investing properly. And so when they get old, they're broke. So you got to have affirmations. You got to have your business set up properly, which is the foundation of business. You got to have education. And number four, the association. And if you have all those things, guys, I promise you, you will unlock your millions. Here comes your millions. All you got to do is stay persistent and consistent from there. And I just gave you 2 bonuses ones for free. You just got to stay persistent and consistent. Put that in the comment box. Persistent and consistent. If you stay persistent and consistent, I promise you, you will be just fine. Persistent and consistent. So you put all 4 of those together with persistence and consistency, and baby, your millions are coming through. Press down, run it over without a cup to fill it up in, right? Without a place to put it. right? It will come in, pressed down, running over, baby. So get ready to unlock your millions. You deserve to win, friends. You deserve to win. All right, speak your affirmations now before we go. Like and share this video, guys. Share this information. Let's get in the business. Oh, y'all like my nails look good. Money green. It's money month. It's money month. So I had to get these money nails, right? All right, I will listen to the voice of the Holy Spirit within. I will lead and not follow. I will believe and not doubt. I will create and not destroy. I am a force for good. I defy the odds. I set new standards. I am the head and not the tail. I am above and not beneath. I am the lender and not the borrower. I'm loved by God. I'm chosen by God. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. And every tongue that rises up against me in judgment shall be condemned. I'm happy. I'm humble. I'm healthy. I'm wealthy. I'm strong. I will never be broke another day in my life. I will live the fullness of life and get all that God has prepared for me. I am a money magnet. I am a money magnet. I am a money magnet. Money, 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 right? I am a walking vault. Right? I'm in a constant state of attracting all the good that I deserve and I desire because I deserve to win. All right, guys. And so you deserve to win too. Get the book at SabrinaWright.org. www.SabrinaWright.org, guys. Like and share this video with your friends. So association is key, right? If they don't want to watch stuff like this, if they don't want to be educated, then they don't want to be elevated. You deserve to win, guys. Bye-bye now.